Now, what do you all make of government's 9th hour refusal to grant permission for the staging of the annual Eastern Athletics Championships, as well as the postponement of the Central Athletics Championships? And how will this latest development affect the staging of the big one, Boys and Girls Champs, scheduled for the end of April? I mean, none of these two meets would have violated the new curfew restrictions. So the problem must have been safety concerns regarding the surge in COVID numbers. And the thing is, with a mere 4 weeks left to champs, and with all of us needing champs, the youngsters need champs, the adults need champs, we all need champs for our sanity. Whatever concerns there were about these significantly smaller regional championships leading to their postponement, these concerns can be multiplied 5 or 6 times for the staging of champs. Then how champs are going to keep? How champs are going to keep? Hold on, a long time you link the Issa Boss, my brethren, Mr. Wellington. Yes, a long time you link Mr. Wellington, my brethren, really, man. Yes. My Liverpool brethren, really. Yes, sir, really. Yes, father. Oral, man. Yeah. No, man, commentary done, man. We don't know commentary done, Mr. Me talk to you up here. Yes. Wait, sir. Commentary not done. Wait, sir, me talk to you for the year. Hold on, Mr. Ready. Hold on. Yes. See you tomorrow. Wait, sir, no, boss.